Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by assembling the essentials and making the first electrical links. Connect the mic capsule to the preamp input using shielded wire so noise stays low. Once done, solder the preamp output to the amp module in, make clean joints to prevent intermittent contact. Then hook the amp OUT to the speaker and attach power only after those connections are secure. This order prevents loud pops and protects components, and it gets you audible output quickly, so you can verify basic operation. You now secure and optimize the middle stage wiring so performance is reliable. Mount the amp mic and speaker inside an enclosure. Strain relief and hot glue prevent broken solder joints when dropped. Make short, shielded signal runs and keep power wires separate from mic leads to minimize hum. Once mounted, adjust the amp gain slowly while speaking into the mic. Use a reference 1K HZ tone if available to watch for clipping. Make sure to test at real speaking volume to set a clean distortion. You finish by securing the case, calibrating, and doing full tests. Place a removable panel for battery and gain control so you can tweak later, and add foam near the mic to soften plosives. Test at several distances and with different voices to confirm clarity and battery runtime. If you get feedback, act quickly. Lower the gain, move the mic away from the speaker, and try a small bypass cap or physical shield. This troubleshooting step fixes most feedback and keeps your amplifier usable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.